left hand is the reason your piano playing doesn't sound beautiful yet. Most beginners spend all their time on the right hand, learning melodies, learning chords, and completely ignore the left hand, or just simply have no idea what to do with it. But here's the truth. The left hand is what separates someone who plays piano from someone who sounds like a real pianist. And if you keep playing with a flat, blocked left hand, your playing will always sound boring, no matter how many songs you learn or how long you practice. I'm Caitlin, and over the past decade, I've taught thousands of students how to go from complete beginner to playing the songs they actually love. And the number one thing that transforms how my students sound faster than anything else is what I'm going to show you today. It's called the ballad pattern. It's one left hand pattern, and when you add it to any song, it instantly sounds beautiful. So check this out. Here's What a Wonderful World with the pattern. Beautiful, right? Now watch what happens when I play something different, Yesterday by the Beatles. And just to prove this works on literally anything, check it out with Mary Had a Little Lamb. See, even that sounds like a beautiful ballad, and that's the power of this pattern. This is going to be a 3-part video. Part 1, I'm going to show you note for note exactly how to play this pattern. Part 2, I'm going to show you how to put it together with a melody. And part 3, this is the most important one, I'm going to show you the fastest way to actually learn it. A lot of people are going to watch parts like 1 and 2 and think, okay, I get it, I'll be fine. Please don't do that. Part 3 is why most people learn this in a week and others are still struggling a month later. Before we jump in, I put together a free ballad pattern practice sheet that shows you exactly how to play this on any chord. So grab it, print it out, and practice this at home. The link is in the description below. All right, part 1. Note for note, here is how you play the ballad pattern. I'm going to use the song What a Wonderful World to teach this. All I'm doing is playing the octave of the chord in my left hand with the 5th of the chord in the middle. So here's what that means. For example, in C major, the octave is C to C, 8 notes apart, and the 5th is right here. So what is the 5th? The 5th is simply 5 notes up from the root. So if I counted from C, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, there's the 5th in the middle, and then here's my octave. So your pattern is the root, C at the bottom, the 5th in the middle, and the C at the top, like this. Let's look at the first chord of What a Wonderful World. It's F major. So what I'm going to do is, if I have an F, I'm going to count 5 notes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then here's my octave F. It's really important to know the notes of each chord so you play it accurately. That's why I grabbed the free ballad pattern practice sheet in the description of this video, because I will share with you what the 5th of every single chord on earth is inside it. Part 2, how to play this pattern with the melody. I teach my students how to play with lead sheets. The cool thing about a lead sheet is you have the chord progression at the top and the melody for your right hand written out below it. When you're doing patterns with the melody as a beginner, it's good to separate the hands. So let's practice just the melody first. After that, you're going to put your hands together slowly. You could start by just playing the octave with the melody together first, and then add the 5th in the middle once you're comfortable. So that would look like this. And then finally, we're going to add the 5th in the middle. We're going to slowly add hands together and pay attention to what notes line up. This is going to be hard at first, so be patient with yourself. It might look easy when I do it, but you're going to have to practice slowly to get the rhythm between your left hand and your right hand. So it ends up being so pretty in the end. And you can do this with any song at all. Just add this pattern in the left hand and it's going to sound really pretty. If you're having any trouble with it, start by just playing the octave in your left hand and get going, and then start adding the fifth once the octave feels comfortable. Part 3, the fastest way to learn this. If you practice this the right way, you can learn this in just a week by practicing only 10 minutes a day. Here's how to learn this song with the pattern fast. Let's look at What a Wonderful World again. Step 1, focus on small sections at a time. Don't try to learn the whole song at once, just take the first line. Step 2, start by moving between the octaves only, no fifths yet. So for the first line, it would look like this. Step 3, once you've dialed in the octaves, break them up into chunks to add the fifths. Start with just the first 2 notes like this. Practice that over and over until it feels easy. Then add the last note, the octave on top, like this. Step 4, once you have each chord, practice moving from chord to chord. First chord, then second chord. Third chord, then fourth chord, breaking it up into little pieces like this. Then go back and play the whole line at once. Step 5, just like you did above, you'll add the melody in small chunks. For example, 1 to 2 measures at a time. And then step 6, practice the entire line at once. This is how you practice productively on the piano, small sections, build each chord in chunks, then connect them, and that's it. That's the ballad pattern, and you now know exactly how to play it. The only thing left is to sit down and do it. Start with just the first line, go slow, be patient with yourself, and remember, the goal this week isn't to play the whole song perfectly, the goal is to get the pattern into your hand so it starts to feel natural. If you want the free ballad pattern practice sheet with the fifth of every chord already mapped out for you, grab it in the description below. Print it out, put it on your piano, and use it every time you sit down to practice. Now, if you want to take this even further, I have a whole video on 5 chord patterns that will make any song sound even more beautiful. So be sure to watch this video next. And if this video helped you, be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.